going to be showing you guys how to have a healthy dessert. So you're going to want strawberries, okay? But you're going to want them all cut up in a bowl, okay? I'm making for 3 people. You're going to want strawberry jelly. Strawberry jelly. You're going to want sugar. So what you're going to do is get a few strawberries. Okay, I'm making for 3 people. So, wash your hands, okay? Be easy. Hello. Okay, so you have bowls, okay? And then you're going to want to get a little, you want to get, and you're going to put just a little bit of sugar. I need more sugar on that. Because that's all I put in there. And then, if nobody wants a jelly, you don't have to. Devin! And then you're going to put jelly. And then if you want to be a little more creative, get a banana. Healthy, nice and snack. Hey Devin, stop yelling.
Are you putting banana pieces in there?
Yeah. Do you want a banana? Yeah. Devin, shush. I'm not going to get any if you don't enjoy it.
You guys can have them.
If you want to top it off, put a cherry on top. And then after you're done, get forks, put them right in, put your strawberries and strawberry jelly, if you do, back in the fridge. Put this stuff right here in the... Devin, what? Go. You throw that away, please? Devin, put those in the sink. Put the sugar.